Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
What if a foldable phone could be as slim and stylish as a regular smartphone and still turn heads every time you use it? Today, we're unboxing the stunning Vivo X Fold5, and trust me, this design is something you won't stop admiring. From a premium frosted finish to a fingerprint-free back and an ultra-slim profile, this phone is redefining foldables. But is it all just looks? Or is there more beneath the surface? Stick around till the end to find out, and don't miss the surprise we've got lined up for you. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. Big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's dive straight into the unboxing. Don't blink. First up, the accessories. We've got a fast charging adapter, a Type A to Type C cable, and a custom phone case. Now about this case. The build quality is impressive. It perfectly matches the color of the phone's body and features a textured finish on the back that not only looks stylish but also helps prevent slipping. Let's set that aside for now because it's time for the main attraction. Here it is, the Vivo X Fold5 itself. Let's first check out the thickness when fully unfolded. It's surprisingly slim and lightweight at first glance. Take a closer look at the metal frame. It not only looks premium but gives off a sleek, ultra-thin vibe you can feel the moment you hold it. I'll admit, I was nervous. For a moment, I thought I had accidentally damaged it, but rest assured, the build quality is more than solid. It can definitely handle a bit of pressure. Let's close the phone again and take a closer look at the thickness. Even through the video, you can probably sense it. This feels almost as slim as a traditional candy bar style smartphone. What's impressive is that despite this sleek profile, it still packs all the flagship level specs you'd expect. We'll save the detailed performance insights for the full in-depth review, so stay tuned for that. Thanks to its thin and lightweight design, along with the gentle curve transition on the back, the phone offers a surprisingly comfortable grip. In everyday use, it doesn't feel bulky or awkward in the hand at all. Now let's flip it over and admire the back. The color we're holding is called green pine, which symbolizes calm and relaxation, and it definitely lives up to that name. The overall design is clean and understated, with a solid matte finish, free of any distracting or overly complex elements. It's the kind of design you could admire endlessly, pure and timeless. Do you find this aesthetic appealing? The back cover has a fine, frosted texture that feels incredibly smooth to the touch. It's soft, refined, and best of all, resistant to fingerprints, so it stays clean and classy throughout the day. It's a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. Now let's take one last look at the slim and sophisticated Vivo X Fold5. If this foldable has caught your attention, be sure to stick around. Our in-depth review video drops on June 25th, so stay connected and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.